And it's left off for Cini. Cini, the good skater to the corner. Up top, Korchinski, Fitzgerald, one-timer right on. A save by Martin. Jerry Mayhew returning the puck to Sanford. Here's Korchinski, the lone defenseman. Sanford a closer look. Backdoor for Mayhew, fought off by Martin. They center for Gutman out in front. Oh. He's a shot and a scrambling stop by Martin. Roller into the Wolves zone and a stick lift, and Martin makes a save. Back out in front, Martin scrambles right through. Moves away from one man. Yaska working the goal line, back to Suzuki. Suzuki head up all the way off the pad of Comesso. A tip by Yaska in tight. Smith pounds at the net. They score! A redirect out in front. Who will get the goal? Is it Yaska or Robida? It is Juha Yaska. Gutman in. Korchinski shot off the backboard. Back on it front, off of Martin. It goes in.
He put it in himself.
A bad break in his own barn, and that breaks up a long shutout streak by Spencer Martin, and the Hogs have tied it up. 2-on-1, Sanford centers, Korchinski back to Sanford, stoned at the doorstep, Spencer Martin, outstanding. Gutman, no speed, dumps it in. Martin lost an edge back behind the net. Levchinov has it at the point. Rister, he scores! And Rockford wins in the power play. 11 minutes gone by in overtime.